Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Amazia. Amazia is actually congenital absence of the breast in on one or both the sides is called as amasia. This amasia is actually associated with absence of sternal portion. It is associated with absence of sternal portion of pectoralis major. So this is called as Poland syndrome. Where there is absence of pectoralis major with absence of breast is Poland syndrome. It is more commonly seen in males rather than in females.
thank you and thank you for watching.